In the backdrop of vibrant landscapes in rural India, are farmers struggling to make a living. Limited information often deters them from saving their crops in time. Partnering with British Telecom and Cisco Systems, One World has come up with an innovative solution in Lifelines. A knowledge exchange tool that is changing the lives of thousands of farmers. Based on the Microsoft technology platform, Lifelines uses the power of voice as a medium of information exchange. With the system, the farmer can call and get his query recorded in a local language at the data center and is provided a unique ID code. The query is then processed by knowledge workers who search the database for the right response or forward the query to an expert. The farmer, on calling back within 24 hours, gets the answer to his query with the unique ID code. Over time, Lifelines has witnessed a growing user base, reflecting its popularity as a dependable service.
जब से हमें जो है लाइफलाइन द्वारा जानकारी मिली, उन्होंने हमें उत्तम क्वालिटी के औजार दिलवाए और उत्तम क्वालिटी के बीज भी दिए, नई नई दवाओं का छिड़काव करवाया और अब हम अपनी खेती को बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हैं।
अब हमें घर पर बैठे बैठे ही फोन पर लाइफलाइन की वजह से सारी जानकारी उपलब्ध हो जाती है। ये सब लाइफलाइन की ही बदौलत है।
Regular monitoring and evaluation of the service on the ground have revealed its success among users. Lifelines is in effect bringing farmers a contemporary perspective on income generation and crop productivity, the answer to today's needs and livelihoods.